Everybody, we gotta evacuate. There's a hurricane coming for us. Doesn't look like I care, Grover. I don't give a damn if we're under a hurricane warning right now. Jeffrey, do you not understand? This is serious, pal. This hurricane is so strong, and we could be blown away from this hurricane. You don't know that. Grover, we live in this house for many years, and we've been through a lot of hurricanes, so guess what? Get over it, you freaking moron! Stupid ass bitch.
Yeah, Grover, stop being a crybaby. Grow up.
Yeah, stop being a crybaby, you stupid fucking clown. Stupid punk ass bitch. Now grow up! Hey Ruby, are you sure about this?
I hope so.
Are you